Hello and welcome to Design Hunters. Let's start by creating a black background. Now, take a copy by holding Alt and Shift key. Take a copy and paste it in front, then transform it. Now round its corners and lock everything. It's time to bring in the icons, text, and elements. Now align them to artboard. Draw a line by holding Shift button. Now draw a rectangle like this and align it. Again, draw a line and align it well. Now we have completed our front design. Select and lock everything. Now draw a line of 0.5 inches and rotate it by holding Shift key. Again, rotate it to 30 degrees and click OK. Now transform and reflect it and click Copy. Now take a copy and paste it in front. After that, press down arrow key 7 times and rotate it. Again, take a copy and paste it in front. Now press Ctrl or Command D. Take a copy and press right and up arrow keys 7 times. Now take a rectangle and make clipping mask.
Thank you for watching till here. Please appreciate us and subscribe for daily videos.